I'm sure that you all must be thinking about the changes in PT essay after 7th August 25. First of all, you should know that in content you'll be getting now 6, and content now can be checked or assessed by human experts also if it is found to be templated. So in content now, first of all, we'll have to understand the topic. Earlier, we used to just copy the topic and add some keywords related to the topic, and we were getting very good score for content. But now this will not happen. Now, because PT has made some changes. Now for content, first of all, you will have to understand the topic. You will have to fully address the topic in detail, which means you will have to explain the topic. You will have to give some examples about the topic. So it means you will have to add lot of relevant keywords and ideas about the topic. If you are able to do so, you can expect very good score for content. Next is development, structure and coherence. Development, I'll explain you very briefly. You have to explain or develop the ideas which you have chosen for your essay, which means again you will have to write something in your own words. Structure means paragraphs, which means you will have to first of all introduce a topic and present your position. Depending upon the question, if the question is asking your opinion, you will present that in the first paragraph. Next paragraph, you will have to select one main idea that is relevant, related to the topic, and fully explain that with examples or supporting ideas. Same is to be done with paragraph 2. And finally, you will have to conclude. This is the structure of essay. Next is coherence. Coherence always means that all the points, all the ideas which I've decided for the essay, they should be flowing smoothly. It means there is a logical progression. If I read the whole answer, it conveys meaning. It is making sense. That is coherence. And of course, you will have to use linking devices to connect your ideas or points. Next is general linguistic range, which means you will have to make complex, compound sentences and use a wide range of vocabulary. Other parameters have not been changed, like you will be getting 2 for grammar, 2 for vocabulary and 2 for spellings. And form, let me tell you again, form means word limit. Your answer should be between 200 to 300 words. 255, I would say, is the ideal word limit. If you will write between 120 and 199, you will get 1 for form. Or if you write between 301 and 380, then also you get 1 for form. But if you will write less than 120 and more than 380, then you will get 0 for form and your answer will not be further scored. So what is the crux now? The crux is that now from 7th August onwards, you will have to add relevant content, relevant points, and yes, you will also have to work on explaining those points and giving examples in your answer. Then